Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is about a product called Client Magnets GPT from Lee Cole. And what if I got a book about chiropractic power up on the screen? What is that all about? Well, take a look at this, because this is what we're talking about, is quick books, maybe 80 to 100 pages, written through by artificial intelligence, and you can give these away. You get the authority of being the author, you get the authority of giving away free information, and then you get the traffic, the clicks, the leads, the sales coming in because you're the authority figure in whatever your niche is. So you don't have to write the book. The book gets written for you by artificial intelligence. Pretty smart idea, huh? It's called Client Magnets GPT. GPT is artificial intelligence. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you what I mean. So they rave on a little bit. There's Lee Cole, who's put it together, and people rave. And here's what I want. There you go. These short attraction books build authority and trust. Like I said, make you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Great value-added services and lead generation giveaways, and can become long-term marketing assets. And you can do more than one. You can create a whole series. You can create training courses. You see what I mean? So this is a method of putting these together, short client attraction books. He says about 80 to 100 pages. This one's shorter, but you can pretty much do whatever you want. You're going to give them away, and you're going to get leads, clicks, buyers, clients, exactly like that. They'll show you how to put it all together. And I'm going to scream to the bottom here and just give you an idea, not just the bonuses, but get down to, there you go. So you got a coupon code here. I should have written that down in my website. I will put that on the site there, and brings it down from $47 down to $40. I think that's what they're showing you here. Let's see. Yep, they show you how to put in the code and get $7 off. So it brings it down to $40. If you're looking for leads, if you're looking for clients, this is what you need. Lee Cole does this kind of stuff all the time, creating clients, what I call local business consulting. So you see everything you'll get there. Training to make the books, AI-powered content, authority building, marketing applications, lead generation, resources, step-by-step guidance, community of these people, and 10,000 brand new leads to jumpstart your business. Gives you 12,000 leads. So very cool kind of a setup. And again, the whole thing's $40. So picture having authority, leads, clients, sales, all for $40. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. The discount coupon code will be listed at the bottom. And then you click the product box after that, and away you go. You can grab this for $40. Go check it out. You're going to love the idea of getting clients by giving away free books that are put together for you by artificial intelligence. Very smart idea. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. It's called Client Magnets GPT. Click the link and go check it out. Enjoy.